guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I am late to the party once more for my favourites for December. I'm sorry, I'm always late for this video, but I like watching them, I like filming them, so I thought I'd do it anyway, even though it's the 8th. It's the 8th of January, I'm sorry. So my first thing, my favourite thing for the December was the fact that Christmas was done, because I'm over it. I was just over Christmas. As soon as it got to Boxing Day, the 26th, we had everyone around here, which was lovely. It's really nice to have all our family around. However, at 5 o'clock, when everyone had left, we took the decorations down and I de-Christmased the house, and it was amazing and I'm super happy. And now it's a new year, everything is clean and fresh, and I'm just super happy. I am in my new office, which is actually our spare bedroom, but that's just because of all the work that's going on downstairs. So yeah, that is my first favourite thing, is the fact that Christmas is done. Oh, and I did Vlogmas. I'm super happy and favourite-y that I did Vlogmas. I did it. I managed 25 days of Vlogmas and it was awesome, and I enjoyed it much more than last year. So I'm sorry, I'm still a sniff monster. I will try and edit out as many sniffs as I can because I'm annoying myself. So my first proper favourite is Slimming World. I restarted in December and I've been doing it for about a month now and I absolutely love it. I had a £3 gain over Christmas, which I was completely fine with because I literally ate and drank whatever I want. But I'm on it, I'm back on it now. It's all good. Fridays is weigh day, so we will see how it goes this Friday, fingers crossed. I'm not sure how much I'm going to document, but we will see. And that also leads on to my next favourite thing, which was an amaretto sour, which is a cocktail that I discovered just before Christmas. I love lager. Lager is my drink. I would drink it all day if it didn't get me drunk. I drink non-alcoholic beer because I just like the taste of it, and I drink alcoholic beer as well. But for Slimming World and dieting, lager is one of the worst things because it is like, it's just really bad. It's just loads of empty calories, and there's a reason it's called a beer belly, because it makes you have a beer belly. So I wanted to discover a new alcoholic drink, and I read about an amaretto sour, which I think there's various different recipes, but the one that I'm obsessed with is Di Serono, triple sec and lemonade, and it tastes like orange sherbet dip dabs, and I drank my body weight of them throughout December. However, I'm doing dry January. I'm going to try and do dry January. I'm trying. It's day 8 and we're okay so far, but I'm trying to do dry January. But amaretto sours are just amazing, so I would highly recommend you try them because they're amazing. So next up is my pillow. This pillow was sent to me by this company. They offered to send it to me for free, and I quite liked, they sent it to me and just said, do you want to try it? If you don't like it, that's fine. Don't worry about, you don't have to say anything. If you do like it, just give us a mention. And I actually love it. It is I want to say it's Kiesta, but I still might not be saying it right. It's really light written on there. It says Kiesta in green, and it is memory flake. So it's supportive and it's squishy, and I just love it. I've slept so much better and I haven't had a sore neck since I've been using it. I think I've been using it for about a month now, and I just love it. And they did give me a discount code, which I'll link down below for you guys if you want to try it. And I think they do like 100 days. Am I making that up? 100 days money back guarantee, maybe? I might be making that up. I'll link it all down below. But yeah, I'm always funny when people offer me things for free. I'm kind of like, well, if I don't like it, what do I do? And they just said, well, if you don't like it, don't talk about it. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. And I did like it, so I'm telling you. It's like my new favourite. Ben's quite jealous. He steals it every now and then because he likes it as well. But it's mad. You can see like how squishy it is. Oh, I just love it. Makes me want to have a nap. Okay, next up, this was a Christmas present from Danielle, who has her own channel. I will link her. And it is a hairband with a skull on it that she made, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect for like winter school runs, just to keep my little ears warm. I just love it. And I also like doing this and making myself have mushroom hair because it's funny. But yeah, she made this. How clever is she? I just love it. It's super snuggly, and she made it just for me, which I think is amazing. So yeah, that is one of my favourites. Something for the girls now. I can't remember if I mentioned before, both my girls have eczema. They had it when they were born and they've still got it now, and they're 3 and 4. It's not as bad as it was. It used to be where they could only have like the medicated shampoos and conditioners and body wash. Anything we put on them had to be prescription basically, because otherwise they would flare up and be really, really itchy, and they'd make themselves bleed because they were itching so much. However, they have sort of grown out of it to an extent. I can't use just anything on them because it will just make them flare up, but like things that are kind of meant for kids, some things are okay. And this is the most recent one that I found, and it is the Asda Really Wild 3-in-1, and it's shampoo, conditioner and body wash, and it smells of apples, and it's amazing because the girls have both got really long hair. Like both their hair is knee down to their bums. Ari's is dead straight like Ben, and Mika's is unfortunately curly like me. So I do need conditioner for them, but this does it all in one. It makes their hair super soft, it's easy to brush, and I think it's only like £1.50 a bottle, which is amazing because some of the other ones I had were like £7 or £8 a bottle. So this is awesome. I highly, highly recommend this if you have little ones with eczema. Brilliant. What we can do next, my LMS stuff. This is the LMS Superfood Day Cream and Night Cream. I am obsessed with this at the minute. It smells amazing. I love it. It is bright green. It's green. Oh, I just love it. I think it smells awesome. I know not everyone thinks it smells awesome, but I love it. Obviously, I use the day cream in the morning and the night cream at night, but I really feel like it is making a difference to my skin. This is kind of like my skincare at the minute, this and my nip pads or my nip fab toner, and then I use serums as well, but like this is kind of like the cream that I use the most. Really, really love that. And I know it's crazy expensive, but it's good to spend your money on skincare because if you have a nice base, you don't need as much makeup. It's kind of my way of looking at it. I might be wrong. Next up is a Christmas present that my brother got me, and it says Lucy's Face Shit. It's a makeup bag and it's massive and it's lovely, and this was from Heartfelt. I think she's on Facebook and Instagram. I'll try and link her down below, but he got me this for Christmas and I think it's awesome. It's like a jute bag kind of material, and you can have whatever you want on them, and I think they're about £12, so I really, really like it. Lip balm. Oh, before Christmas, if you'd have seen any of my videos, you'd have seen I was constant. They're still quite bad today, look, because I haven't used it today. My lips were so painful, it was ridiculous. And then for Christmas, Ben actually got me this Burt's Bees Overnight Intensive Lip Treatment, and it is amazing. It smells like peppermint. You can see I've already used quite a big, I've dug quite a lot out of it. I don't just use it at night, I use it all the time, and it is such a nice lip balm. I'm using that alongside my Blistex because that works as well. They're just the change in weather. My lips do it every single year and they just don't like me. So I really, really recommend that. My Tarte mascara, Lights Camera Lashes. I think this has been one of my favourites last month or the month before, but it's still amazing. Mum got me another one of these, this one, for Christmas in my Tarte pineapple set that she got me, and I just love it. I can't fault it. It makes you have ginormous eyelashes and I just love it. It's awesome. So yep, there's that, and then 2 more makeup items and then we're done. The first is I thought Ben's van just drove past, but it wasn't. It's the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This was sent to me by Danielle again, who sent me the awesome hairband. I am obsessed with this. Like, I've used it every single day since she sent it to me. It smells amazing. It smells like holidays, and I love it because it's not too dark. It's really, really similar to the Hula Light, but it smells better. Love it. And then my final product is the Makeup Revolution, and this is the dark brown eyebrow dye. I have been doing this probably once a week just because I hate doing my eyebrows so much. My eyebrows are like my least favourite part of doing my makeup every day. And even if I don't wear makeup every day, I still put my eyebrows on every day because it's just literally in the front here, they are so sparse where some dickhead threaded them badly years ago and they've just never come back. And I just feel, it's windy. I just feel more like me when they're on. So I do this like once a week and have Ben laugh at me for 2 hours while I leave it on because he thinks it's hilarious when this is on, and then I'd have to do the bare minimum to my eyebrows because I'm lazy. Yeah, I think that's it. That is it for favourites this month. I don't think I have any jog-ons. Do I? Do I have any jog-ons? I don't think I do. I don't think I do. If I remember anything, I'll put it down below. But I'm pretty sure there's no jog-ons for this month, which is nice. Starting the year in a positive light. I promise next month I will be on time. In the first 2 days of February, there will be a favourites video in your eyes. So yeah, Happy New Year. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.